Hey there, beach lovers and travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the sunny shores of Barbados to explore the charming Dover Beach Hotel. This family-owned gem has been a staple of Caribbean hospitality for over 4 decades, and we're about to find out why it's captured the hearts of so many visitors. Let's start by diving into the accommodations at Dover Beach Hotel. Nestled right on the pristine white sands of Dover Beach, this intimate 3-star property offers 59 rooms that cater to various needs and budgets. You've got your standard rooms, perfect for couples or solo travelers looking for a cozy retreat. These come with either a kitchenette or a coffee station, so you can whip up a quick breakfast before hitting the beach. But if you're planning a longer stay or traveling with family, the 1-bedroom apartments are where it's at. These spacious units feature full kitchens with ovens and large refrigerators, giving you the freedom to cook up some local delicacies or save a few bucks on dining out. Now let's talk views, because let's face it, that's half the reason we go to the Caribbean, right? Depending on your room choice, you'll be treated to either garden or partial ocean views. And for those lucky enough to snag an oceanfront apartment, prepare for some serious Instagram envy from your followers back home. The rooms themselves are decked out in bright Caribbean-style colors that'll have you feeling those island vibes from the moment you step in. Some units have been recently updated, while others maintain a more classic charm. But hey, when you're steps away from one of the most beautiful beaches in Barbados, who's really spending that much time in their room anyway? One thing to note is that while the Dover Beach Hotel might not have all the bells and whistles of a luxury resort, it makes up for it with its unbeatable location and affordable prices. You're getting beachfront accommodation without breaking the bank, which is pretty rare in these parts. Plus, the hotel's commitment to sustainability has earned it a Green Globe certification, so you can feel good about your stay. Now let's talk grub, because no vacation is complete without some good eats. The Dover Beach Hotel keeps things simple but satisfying with its on-site restaurant and bar. Picture this. You're sitting by the pool, sipping on a tropical cocktail crafted by one of the talented bartenders, watching the sun dip below the horizon. Sounds pretty perfect, right? The restaurant serves up breakfast, lunch, and dinner, focusing on Caribbean-inspired dishes that'll give your taste buds a tour of the island's flavors. While the dining options at the hotel itself are somewhat limited, remember that you're just a stone's throw away from St. Lawrence Gap, Barbados' nightlife hub. This means you've got a whole strip of restaurants, bars, and clubs within walking distance. So whether you're in the mood for a quiet dinner at the hotel or a night out on the town, you've got options. Let's move on to one of the main attractions, the beach and pool situation. Dover Beach is the star of the show here, with its powdery white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters. The hotel provides loungers right on the beach, so you can soak up the sun in comfort. As for the pool, it's a small courtyard affair surrounded by palm trees. While it might not be Olympic-sized, it's perfect for a refreshing dip or lounging with a good book. And let's not forget the poolside bar, because nothing says vacation like a pina colada by the pool, right? Water sports enthusiasts might be a bit disappointed, as the hotel doesn't offer much in this department. However, being so close to St. Lawrence Gap means you're not far from local operators who can hook you up with some aquatic adventures. Whether you're into snorkeling, paddleboarding, or jet skiing, you'll find options nearby. Now, if you're the type who likes to stay active on vacation, kudos to you, by the way, you might find the Dover Beach Hotel a bit lacking in terms of fitness facilities. There's no on-site gym or spa, which could be a deal breaker for some. But hey, who needs a treadmill when you've got a beautiful beach to jog on, right? And let's be honest, sometimes the best vacation workout is lifting that cocktail glass to your lips. For those traveling with little ones, it's worth noting that the Dover Beach Hotel doesn't have a dedicated kids club or extensive children's activities. This makes it more suitable for couples or families with older kids who are happy to entertain themselves. That said, the laid-back atmosphere and proximity to the beach make it a great spot for family bonding. Building sandcastles, splashing in the waves, or hunting for seashells. Sometimes the simplest activities create the best memories. Let's talk about what's around the hotel, because location is key, folks. As we've mentioned, you're right next door to St. Lawrence Gap, which is basically party central in Barbados. But there's more to explore beyond the nightlife. A short drive will take you to Carlisle Bay, a beautiful crescent-shaped beach that's perfect for swimming and snorkeling. History buffs might want to check out Bridgetown, the capital city, which is about a 30-minute drive away. Here you can explore UNESCO World Heritage Sites and soak up some local culture. For a taste of Barbados' natural wonders, Harrison's Cave is about 18 kilometers inland. It's a crystallized limestone cavern that's pretty darn impressive. The hotel can help arrange tours or transportation to these attractions, making it easy to explore the island. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty with an overall review. The Dover Beach Hotel is one of those places that proves you don't need 5 stars to have a 5-star experience. Its strengths lie in its unbeatable location, affordable prices, and the warm, personalized service that comes from being family-owned and operated. The staff here have been around for years. We're talking centuries of combined experience, and they treat guests like extended family. On the flip side, if you're looking for luxury amenities, high-end spa treatments, or a state-of-the-art gym, you might want to look elsewhere. Some guests have noted that certain areas of the hotel could use a bit of updating. But for many, the charm of the Dover Beach Hotel lies in its simplicity and authenticity. What really makes this place stand out is its ability to offer a slice of genuine Barbadian hospitality without the hefty price tag of larger resorts. It's a kind of place where you can truly unwind, where the pace slows down, and where you can experience the laid-back Caribbean lifestyle without any pretense. While the Dover Beach Hotel doesn't have extensive conference facilities, they do offer a small meeting room that can accommodate intimate gatherings or business meetings. It's not going to host your next big corporate retreat, but for small teams looking for a unique off-site location, it could be just the ticket. Now let's talk about some guest experience highlights, because that's where the magic really happens. One guest recounted how the staff went above and beyond to help celebrate their anniversary, arranging a surprise candlelit dinner on the beach. Another mentioned how the bartender remembered their favorite drink from a stay 5 years ago. Now that's what I call service. Many guests have praised the hotel's location as the perfect balance between tranquility and excitement. You can spend your days lounging on the quiet beach, then walk a few minutes to experience the vibrant nightlife of St. Lawrence Gap. It's like having the best of both worlds right at your doorstep. Families have shared stories of building lasting memories, from teaching their kids to swim in the calm waters of Dover Beach to having impromptu dance parties with other guests during the sunset happy hour. Solo travelers have raved about feeling safe and welcomed, often finding new friends among the staff and other guests. One particularly heartwarming story came from a couple who had been visiting the Dover Beach Hotel annually for over 20 years. They spoke of watching the staff's children grow up, of being treated like old friends every time they returned, and of feeling like they had a second home in Barbados. These experiences highlight what makes the Dover Beach Hotel special. It's not just a place to stay, it's a place where memories are made, where friendships are formed, and where the spirit of Barbados truly shines through. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.